Hello, good afternoon. This is Ibrahim Kirwa, all the way from Avocare Consultants Limited, leaders in the field. Today, this is another episode of At the Orchards. We are in Luero, and today's topic, we are talking about top working, or either turning around the local variety of avocado into Hass Avocado. So, and today this is it. I'm with my colleague, Mr. Martin, our senior agronomist around. So now, remember, most cases, we buy trees, we go and plant those same trees of Hass Avocado, but by the time you are planting, within a short period of time, minus you knowing, the upper part of grafted, around 30 centimeter, dries up, minus you knowing. Then, the other one, the rootstock, keep on regenerating a new shoot. And you may end up thinking you are really growing Hass Avocado, yet you are really promoting the growth of the local variety. You should not get worried. That same rootstock can be turned around and become Hass Avocado. How do we do it? Number one, you allow the tree to grow to a certain height of your knee, almost 2 feet, or either 1 foot or lower than that. Once it has reached that point, we cut it to regenerate new shoots. Then we regraft them to change them around to become Hass Avocado. There are two ways of grafting. Either we can use the back grafting, or either we can use a new regenerated shoot to turn around. For this case, I'll take you through on how this tree was Hass initially, but it dried up. Then later on, it regenerated, a rootstock, which we turned around last year to turn it into Hass Avocado. But this time round, we had cut branches in order for us to fuse in the Hass Avocado with the local. So I will show you. Here, if you go down here, this was the initial grafting point of the first seedling which was brought. But now it died and the local one regenerated, which is this one. The indigenous rootstock was this. So this one continued growing for 1 meter. So at around 1 meter, we cut it down and it was having this sub-branch. This sub-branch we grafted from here, but it failed. But this shoot you are seeing, it's a local variety shoot. So we are waiting for it to attain some 30 centimeter, then we graft it. But this branch will remain, and this is a local one. So if you go up a bit, you can come and check on this. You can see this one, this is still the local one. We had cut here initially, and we had cut this point initially. So it generated, and we grafted. This is a grafted, this is the scion which we grafted, and this is the local, the rootstock. So this is a fusion, a joining point. This is where we join the two. We join the Hass and the local part. This other one, this is the joining point. You can see, if you can check from here, this is a grafting union. It's a grafting union where we join the Hass Avocado, the upper one, and the lower point of the rootstock. So this is how we end up turning the tree. You can see these other parts we prune to create more foliage. When we explained in our first episode about importance of pruning, this is what we did. So since we did this, it's now 1 year. It's 1 year old, and you can see the way it has really regenerated. To an extent, it's now having fruits. It has some fruits here. If I remove like this, this is the fruit. This is the fruit we have for Hass Avocado. We have another one which regenerated. So, dear farmer, I don't see why you should go ahead and uproot your local variety which had already failed. Instead, just look for us. We help you to turn around and turn your trees into Hass Avocado the way we did into this. But if you see the height, already we have some local varieties protruding from the lower point, but from every now and then, look for a way of cutting them off and disinfecting them to prevent the infection. So, if you see this one, we grafted at the height of 1 meter. When we grafted this one at the height of 1 meter, it was not a right thing for us, because the trees will tend to grow tall, and it will be very hard for us to control the growth. But if we could have brought it down around 2 feet, it was going to be better. We could have been having shorter trees with shorter vigor and we can be in a position of harvesting our fruits at the lower level. So for this case, still, it does not mean that if you graft it higher a bit, you will fail to get fruits. You will still get your fruits. But the thing is, the labor, it becomes more labor intensive in terms of climbing up and the rest. So, but lowering it to at least 2 feet is the best way to go. So that's all. So I don't know why, even if you have any tree which is not us, and you want to turn it around into Hass Avocado, call us any time you feel, and we will come and help you on how to turn around your orchard. Thank you so much. We are really happy, and we are the leaders at the field. Leaders in the field, this is the field, and this is our job. So feel free to reach us any given point. Come to Avocare Consultants Limited, and we will take you through a lot of things. Keep on following us on Twitter, Facebook page, and the rest of the media. Martin, maybe you have something to add on.
Farmers out there, don't worry. Let us worry about your orchard. We have all the technical know-how to assist you get the right results in this industry. At Avocare, we are the dream team that deals with us. Call us anytime and we will sort out your problems. You can trust us, you can sleep easy while we do all the work that bothers you out there. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Keep on keeping on. Subscribe on our YouTube page, subscribe on our Facebook page, follow us, give us a call, visit us at our own office within Nansana Magistrate Court, and we will take you through all the practices. Thank you so much. Have a nice afternoon.